So the same flight, and we were sharing the flight with Mother Teresa, Saint Mother Teresa. And one thing instantly came in my mind. वो बात क्या मेरे दिमाग में आ गई? Oh God, my day is made. मतलब मेरा तो दिन बन गया. And I still remember it. That was the first and the last time which I saw her. And दिन मेरा बन गया, वाकई दिन बन गया. My day was made that day. So,
Miss,
then, hello.
what did you talk? What did you talk to her?
I did not talk because she was very quiet, and we could not go and talk to her. We just wished her, and then she blessed us. She, stay happy, child, and stay happy. Believe in the Almighty, stay happy. This is what she told me, and the words stayed with me long years ago, decades ago. बहुत साल पहले की बात है, लेकिन I still feel it is. अभी देखा उनको. The glow on her face, the smile on her face. It was so small and tiny, but what a beautiful soul, a beautiful person that she was. And she still, she remains to be the same. So a day is made when you don't delay things, when you go talk to your parents, when you prioritize things which you आप ही जानते हैं कि क्या सबसे important है. Then you feel, yes, time to act is now. Do not delay things. Right. So I told you about the expression. How can you say my day is made? Now, can you think of any situation? कोई ऐसा वाक्य आपको याद आता है जो आपको लगा कि हाँ उनको देख लिया या ये काम कर लिया मेरा तो दिन बन गया. Today I have learned today I have learned a song and I have performed today very well and the audience liked it and they wanted more and more. तो जब कभी ऐसा होता तो मेरा तो भाई दिन बन गया आज. अब
जैसे कि किसी स्पेशल पर्सन से बात हो जाए.
So think of a situation. This is your task. Think of a situation. तभी आपको लगा था हाँ उनसे बात कर ली मेरा तो दिन बन गया. Think of something and students दो भी अपना कैमरा स्विच ऑफ किए हुए हैं. By default they are absent for me today. Camera switched off, it means I am marking it down. You will be absent for today. So let's talk about today. And there's always some 5 minutes of my speaking to you. And speaking is very important. You listening is very important for you. I relate small stories of my life which you listen and which you understand, and maybe you might get motivated because of it. Because हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि इंग्लिश 3 तरह से आप सीख सकते हैं सुन करके. जैसे अभी आप सुन रहे, you listening to me speaking. So I use some phrases automatically. It comes in my mind, so I use them. Like today, I used my day was made. मेरा तो दिन उस दिन बन गया था. कब? When I saw when I saw the saint Mother Teresa in person. In person का मतलब होता है आमने सामने. I saw her in person. I will talk to her in person. मतलब मुझे फोन पे नहीं करना, मुझे मेल नहीं लिखना है, मुझे फेस टू फेस बात करना है. So I will talk to you in person, right? So in person is another expression that I've used. And talk of any incidents when you feel हाँ मेरा तो दिन बन गया था उस दिन, अब मेरा तो दिन बन जाएगा. So when you जब कुछ ऐसा आप करेंगे, जब कुछ ऐसा आप जिनसे आप चाहते हो मिलना आप उनसे मिलेंगे. Oh God, today my day was made. My day will be made that day when. ये हो जाएगा फ्यूचर की बात. अभी हम टॉकिंग अबाउट, अभी तो हम लोग चल रहे हैं पास्ट टेंस पे. I did meet Mother Teresa. You don't believe me, I did meet her while I was coming. I spoke to her. I was sharing the same flight. I had felt good. I had been thinking about it for a long time. About what? About the moment when I met her. I used to talk about Mother Teresa quite often. I used to. करते रहते थे. I used to talk about her. Now, even now I'm talking about her. So I had been doing, and I used to, almost the same meaning. And now let us proceed in today's class. The 5 minutes of speaking is what I feel is important for you. Okay. If your camera is if your camera is creating problems, you can message that. All right, sharing the screen with you. Today's thought of the day, please write down. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Write down the quote. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destination. What does this mean?
मतलब कठिन रास्ता, हाँ मतलब अक्सर सुंदर, मतलब मैडम
हाँ, ये तो लिटरली मीनिंग यही हो गया.
जो सुंदर होता है.
हाँ, जो मुश्किल, जिसमें मेहनत लगती है, जिसमें कड़ी मेहनत लगती है, जिसमें हार्ड वर्क लगता है, उसका रिजल्ट तो अच्छा ही होगा ना. ये तो सही बात है. लिटरली तो मतलब यही है. और ये कहा भी जाता है, द रोड टू हेवन इज नेवर स्मूथ. हम लिख देते इसको. सॉरी. The road or the path is never smooth. मतलब कुछ मुश्किल काम करना चाहते हैं तो आसान रास्ता से कभी नहीं जा सकते आप. कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. शॉर्टकट में कुछ हासिल नहीं होता है. द रोड टू हेवन, द पाथ टू हेवन. To be bad is so easy. To be good is very difficult. And for students, सबसे तो important बात यही है. This example, अगर आपको अच्छा रिजल्ट लाना है, अगर आपका एम अच्छा है, अगर आपका लक्ष्य अच्छा है, अगर आपका गोल जो है वो बहुत फोकस्ड है, मुझे ये करना है, then you will have to work hard. और जो भी students who work hard, जो मेहनत करते हैं, जो सारे क्लासेस कर रहे हैं, क्लास वर्क कर रहे हैं, होमवर्क कर रहे हैं, पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, हर तरह से फोकस्ड है, उनके लिए तो क्या, उनके लिए लाइफ बिकम्स मच इजी. तो अपनी डिफिकल्ट रोड से क्रॉस करते हुए अपने लक्ष्य को हासिल करिए आप. There is no shortcut to our education. So, and these difficult roads, these difficult times, these your preparation time. Preparation time is never wasted time. एक दिन का भी time wasted नहीं होता. You are preparing. We are helping you prepare. Preparation time जो है every day का, each class का, we are preparing you for your future. You are preparing yourself for your future. So preparation time is never wasted time. जो टाइम आप प्रिपेयर करने में बिता रहे हैं वो टाइम वेस्ट नहीं है. It is never wasted time, because every day, each moment you are taking yourself ahead. And how can you do this? कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can you achieve? How can you know the difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations? How will you get that beautiful destination? कैसे आपको मिलेगा?
After hard work.
Yes, पहला वर्ड आ रहा है perseverance. Perseverance. इसका मतलब होता है दृढ़ता से. आपने संकल्प कर लिया है और आप continued, yes, and आप continued effort to do or achieve something. Perseverance क्या होता है? एफर्ट जो कि कंटिन्यू कर रहा है, जो मेहनत जो कर रहे हैं, आज कर दिया, आज 10 घंटा पढ़ लिए और कल 1 घंटा भी नहीं, फिर 1 मंथ आप कुछ नहीं पढ़ते हैं, फिर आप होल डे बैठ के पढ़ते हैं, ऐसे नहीं होगा. कंटिन्यूड एफर्ट, तो लगातार आप वर्क करेंगे, ओनली देन यू आर गोइंग टू सी दैट ब्यूटीफुल डेस्टिनेशन, तभी आप देख पाएंगे. तो फर्स्ट इज लगे रहिए, बने रहिए, उबिए नहीं, हटिए नहीं, फोकस्ड रहिए. परसिवरेंस, पेशेंस के साथ. व्हाट इज पेशेंस इन हिंदी? यू नो, ऑलरेडी नो. धैर्य.
Yes.
धीरज.
Yes.
Okay. So first is perseverance. It means continued effort to do something or achieve something. Something क्या है? वो something that beautiful destination, right? And in Hindi संकल्प कर लेते हैं, दृढ़ बिल्कुल, यू आर वेरी स्ट्रांगली फोकस्ड. आपको नहीं मुझे करना है, मन बना लिया आपने, उस मन को बनाए रखिएगा. सेकेंड इज लक्ष्य होना चाहिए. लक्ष्य has got to be there. Goal, set up smart goals. Majority of the students, those who feel कि इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या नहीं कर पाएंगे, वो लक्ष्य बना लें अपना. करें, क्लास करना है, क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
मैम गोल शुड बी
यस,
क्लियर.
गोल होना चाहिए, लक्ष्य होना चाहिए कि हाँ मुझे ये कर लेना है. You have to have that goal which will lead to success, जो कि आपको सक्सेसफुल बनाएगा, वो ब्यूटीफुल डेस्टिनेशन आपको दिखाएगा. एंड देन ओनली आपका जो सपना है, आपका जो ड्रीम्स है, नॉट ओनली योर ड्रीम्स, आवर ड्रीम्स, योर पेरेंट्स ड्रीम्स, तभी आप उसको साकार कर पाएंगे. ओनली देन. So one follows the other, programmed हो जाता है. You have to program yourself. Students who are in the IT or in the management, they have to do the programming. So what is the aim? That beautiful destination is your own aim. मुकाम आपका बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, कैसे हासिल करना है? लगे रहना है. Continued effort. You have to have that goal, and then that will lead to success. And finally, your dreams. You're going to fulfill your dreams, your parents' dreams, our dreams, everything. So this was yesterday's. Time to act is now. And then today we are going to talk about situations of past tense. We did yesterday. I had been, I used to. So let us talk about some situations, and there are some sentences. The example sentences are already given, and you can write your own sentence, right? So past events and situations. We use the past simple to talk about something that happened once in the past. एक बार हो चुका है. Something that happened once in the past. For example, the film started at 7:30. You can change films to anything else. Change the noun. That is up to you. The class. Anything. आप अपना noun choose कर लीजिए. Change the verb. The class ended. Change 7:30. Okay. So the class started at 7:30. We arrived home before dark. What is this? Simple past.
मैम begin भी लिख सकते हैं क्या?
आप कुछ भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. Begin कैसे होगा? Past tense है. Started is a past tense. Simple past. Begin, began.
Began होगा, began.
Simple past क्या होता है? I went, I did, I helped, I started, I ended, I completed, I worked, I spoke, I wrote. Change the verb.
मैम हम डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहे हैं, फिर से जुड़ते हैं.
ठीक है. We arrived home before dark. You can change the nouns. You can change the verbs. We reached home. We left home. We stayed at home. The next is something that was true for some time in the past. कुछ समय तक वो सही था. Which was true. Something that was true for some time. कुछ समय के लिए ये बात सही थी in the past. For example, everybody worked hard through the winter. Everybody worked hard all winter. Everybody worked hard all winter. मतलब विंटर में सब लोगों ने कड़ी मेहनत की. Worked hard. We stayed with our friends in Delhi. So, work hard कब किए लोग? For some time. कुछ समय के लिए विंटर्स में लोग मेहनत किए या मेहनत नहीं किए. They rested. Everybody rested all winter. We stayed with our friends in Delhi. मतलब कुछ समय के लिए आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ स्टे किए. We attended classes. We attended classes. We attended language classes. We attended German classes. So something which you were doing for some time in the past. When we talk about something that happened several times in the past, we use the past simple. Something which happened for several times. Several times कैसे बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? Spoken plus written दोनों में ही आता है.
Many times भी लिख सकते.
हाँ, many times भी, sometimes भी, often, अक्सर. ठीक है. So when we talk about something that happened quite a few times, many times, several times, कई बार, अक्सर, we use the past simple. आप देखें सिचुएशन देख रहे हैं सिंपल पास्ट कहाँ यूज करें. Look at the sentence. Most evenings we stayed at home and watched films. The evenings will be plural. Most evenings. आप क्या करते थे? आप घर पे रह के फिल्म्स देखते थे. Sometimes they went
मैम
out
मोस्ट की
for.
जगह पर सेवरल कर सकते हैं.
हाँ हाँ yes.
सेवरल इवनिंग
हाँ.
वी स्टेड एट होम एंड वॉच फिल्म.
And watched films, or we studied. Most evenings when it was when it would rain, I would stay at home and watch films. Keep your sentence simple. Most evenings, comma, we
व्हाट अबाउट मच?
not much. Evenings you can become most evenings, like 1 evening, 2 evenings, 3 evenings, 5 evenings, right? So most evenings, much नहीं होगा इसमें. And many a times, ये भी आता है many a times. कई बार हम लोग घर पे रह करके फिल्म देखते थे. कई बार हमने उसको फोन किया. Many a times I called him. Many a times. ये सब एक्सप्रेशंस है जो कि आप यूज कर सकते हैं for several times, कई बार के लिए. Often I would call him. अक्सर, often. The word often, O-F-T-E-N, will not, the T is silent. Often. इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? Often I would.
Often I would like to watch movie.
Often I watched movies. Would like to नहीं. यहाँ simple past के बारे में बात हो रही है. Often I watched movies. Often I called him. Often. जब pronunciation बता रहे हैं आपको, O-F-T-E-N, T will be silent. Often. The T is silent. So most evenings we stayed at home and watched films. Many a times we stayed at home and watched movies. Sometimes they went out for a meal. कभी-कभी वो लोग बाहर चले जाते थे खाना खाने. Sometimes. Or we also used to. Most evenings we used to stay at home and watch DVDs or films.
हम यूज टू की जगह वुड का भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, बाद में बताएंगे भी. अभी आप used to पे आ रहे हैं. Would भी आए यहाँ पे. Okay. Used to and had been is the same thing. Most evenings we used to stay at home and read books. And study. We used to go for a swim every morning. We used to. किया करते थे. We used to go and used to के बाद V1 लगा देखिए. Used to V1. Remember this? After this 2 will be V1. Most evenings we used to stay at home and read books. We used to go for a swim every morning. Again, used to will take V1. You can change the verbs. You can change the subject. I used to, you used to, they used to, he used to, she used to. Change the subject, change the verb, change the nouns. We used to go for a walk. We used to cook. We used to go for a picnic. Whatever. And now we are going to use, after used to, would. The sentences remain the same. Only used to is changed to would. Most evenings he would take the dog for a walk. It is the same thing. He used to take the dog for a walk, or Most evenings he would take the dog for a walk. He would often visit friends in Delhi. So much of expressions you can use in English. If you know the rules, things will become so really easy. So used to or would, same thing. Like we use the past simple or used to instead. He looked much older than he does now. He looked much older than he does now. मतलब अभी जितना वो लग रहा है पहले इसे और ओल्ड लगता था. He looked much older in the past. जितना कि अभी दिखता है उससे भी वो अधिक ओल्ड दिखता था. He looked much younger. You can change older into younger. You can change anything. You can change the subject. You can he, she, they. We used to feel very cold in winter.
मतलब वह महसूस किया करता था ठंड में,
हाँ,
बहुत
yes.
ज्यादा ठंड.
हाँ. We used to feel very cold in winter. So used to and would done. And if we have time, we'll take up views past. Otherwise, I'm going to share this with you in your group. But then let me work it out. We use the past continuous for something that that happened before and after a specific time in the past. So how
हेलो मैम.
Yes, hello.
बोले कि मैम वुड जो है वो पास्ट की आदत में बतलाता है.
हाँ, अभी ये सेंटेंस क्या समझ में आ रहा है आपको? यूज्ड टू सिंपल है. वुड मोस्ट इवनिंग्स ही
यूज्ड
वुड.
टू बी.
हाँ, ही वुड क्या करता था. ठीक है. वुड एक्सप्रेशंस है और इसका कई तरह से यूजेज है. तो अभी का जो यूजेज है पास्ट के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. जैसे मोस्ट इवनिंग्स ही वुड टेक द डॉग फॉर अ वॉक. इसका हिंदी सेंटेंस का क्या हुआ? कई इवनिंग्स में मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम
वो
अक्सर वो कुत्ते को बाहर
कुत्ते को
घुमाया
बाहर ले जाया
करता
करता था.
था. हाँ, ले जाया
Yes, ma'am.
करता था. ये करता था का ये एक्सप्रेशन है. आई वुड सिट ऑल
Yes,
डे.
ma'am.
ही वुड सिट ऑल डे एंड वॉच मूवी. मतलब वो दिन भर बैठ के सिनेमा देखता था. When the mother was not around, the child would cry all the time. रोया करता था. तो would expressions अनेक हैं, यूजेज अनेक हैं इसके. So past continuous for something that happened and after, before and after a specific time in the past. It was just after 10. I was watching the news on TV. So the meaning of the sentence, it was just after 10. 10 बजे के बाद. What was it? I was watching the news on TV. At half time we were losing 1-0. This is about some match. We were losing. हम लोग हार रहे थे. हाफ टाइम के बाद हम लोग हार रहे थे 1-0 at any game, maybe badminton or tennis, whatever.
Football.
कुछ भी. It was after 10. I was watching the news on TV. 10 बजे के बाद मैं क्या कर रहा था? I was watching the
टेलीविजन पर न्यूज़ देख रहा था.
watching the news on TV. The worked out sentences जो भी example sentences हैं उसको पढ़िएगा, उसको read aloud. उससे भी फ्लुएंसी बढ़ेगी आपकी. इसको पढ़िएगा, रीडिंग स्किल्स भी इम्प्रूव होगा एंड आपकी फ्लुएंसी आएगी. जितने भी सेंटेंसेस हमें डाल रखे उन सबको पढ़िएगा. Like, it was just after 10, I was watching the news on TV. It was just after 5, I was talking to my parents on the phone. It was just after 10, I was attending writing skill classes on online mode. Anything. Sample sentences are there to help you, जो मदद करता है आपको कि उसके तरह का फॉर्मूला बना हुआ है. You can continue to write as many sentences और उनको पढ़िएगा. उसको पढ़ने से क्या होता है? फ्लुएंसी आएगी. Do not stop, continuously start reading and then start making sentences. पहले आप उसको पढ़िए. It was just after 10, I was watching the news on TV. At 10:30, we were losing 1-0. Continue reading sentences. Reading skills is, of course, very important. And then we use for something that happened before and after another action in the past. Something which happened, something जो कि हुआ है before कुछ और हुआ उसके पहले. Something that happened before and after another action in the past. For example, he broke his leg when he was playing cricket.
मतलब जब वो क्रिकेट खेल रहा था तो अपने पैर पे.
हाँ, तो दो इंसिडेंट्स हुआ ना. यहाँ पर दो चीजें हुई. क्या हुआ? पहले तो he broke his head. He broke his when he was playing cricket. So past continuous. He broke his leg when he was playing cricket. He saw her father. She saw her father as he was driving away.
उसने अपने पिता को देखा.
हाँ.
जब वो कार चला रही.
हाँ. हाँ. She saw her father as he was coming home.
When he was driving the car.
No, I am changing it. You make your own sentences. I am making my own sentence. This is a workshop. हर किसी को छूट है कि अब कुछ भी आप बना सकते, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं आप. She saw her father. He saw her friend. She saw her brother. Okay. So I guess we are closing today, and work done up till now will be shared in your WhatsApp group. So I'm putting a line so that you remember, even I'll remember that this is already done. Sometimes the keyboard is playing tricks with me. Anyways. So did you understand the lesson today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Look, English is not that difficult. With sample sentences and speaking, we all working together. And of course, it will take time. हमने कहा शॉर्टकट नहीं है एजुकेशन के लिए. It will take a long time. और हम लोग भी ऐसे ही पढ़े हुए हैं. We studied in the same way. We worked really hard, especially the language classes and the English, because going to such a school where you had to pay fine for talking Hindi. So this was one thing which we had to do. हिंदी बोलने के लिए फाइन लगता था वहाँ पे. तो फिर we made up our mind not to speak, and we were humiliated also for speaking Hindi. So that was the saddest part. But anyways, that's life.